Hello everyone. Now in this tutorial we will discuss about 100 millisecond timer and we will see here two instruction, that is time and second one is time X. Okay, so time is used for BCD timer and time X is used for binary timer. Okay, let's see here first that we have 100 millisecond timer. Okay, now first we will see how to provide preset value in this timer. Okay, so as I already told you, preset value equals to your actual time delay, okay, divided by your time base or time unit. Okay, so suppose here we have to provide 5-second time delay. So for that, how we will provide? Time base is 100 millisecond. For changing millisecond into second, you have to multiply with 10 to the power minus 3. So as it will go upside. So preset value that we will provide here is 50 second. Okay. Now for 100 millisecond timer, we have two timers. First one is BCD timer. Second one is binary timer. Okay. Now in BCD timer, instruction is TIM. Okay. And binary timer instruction is TIMX. Okay. Now timing method in both is decrementing. Okay. Here also timing method is decrementing. Okay, we will discuss what is decrementing timing method. Okay, means here your preset value will decrement up to 0. Suppose we have provided 5 seconds, so our preset value will decrement from 5 to 0. Okay, later we will see. Then timing units, as we saw, it is 100 millisecond. Then maximum preset value, okay, this is the criteria, that maximum preset value that we can provide in BCD timer is 999.9 second only. Then in binary timer, that maximum value that we can provide is 6553.5 second. Okay, we will see both things in software. Okay, whether we can provide more than this or not. Okay, now so first remember, for providing this preset value will be, it is in second, but preset value will be 49, and for this preset value will be 65535. Okay, in decimal. Okay, this is in second, this value will be in decimal, and this will be in BCD. Okay, now how to give this instruction in PLC. Okay, so let's see. We will solve one simple example. First, take one input switch in order to enable or disable your output. So here I am taking address as 0.00. Make it as enable. Okay, EN. Okay, or you can say on switch. Okay, this is enable for timer. Now here you have to take timer. Okay, for taking timer, what you have to do, just you have to type your timer instruction, either time or time X. Okay, that is after instruction you have to provide N. Okay, we will see what is N, and then S. Okay, then connect this here. So first see what is N and X. So N is your timer value, or you can say as timer address. Okay, that we can provide from 0 to 4095, that we have to provide in decimal. Okay, now as we have our set value, or you can say preset value, that we have to provide, okay, for time instruction and for timex instruction. Okay, for time instruction we have to provide hash 0 to hash for 9. Okay, for 999.9 second we can provide this. As I already told you, maximum we can provide up to this point. And for time x we have to provide n 0 to n 65,535. Okay, it is representing for BCD. This represent for decimal. Okay, now that's it for timer. Just okay, now first do up to that point. Okay, then we will discuss later. Okay, so first go for CX programmer, open CX programmer. Now go to file, select new, then click on OK. Now as I told you, first we will take one enable switch, take LD 0.0 and put as enable EN. Okay, now after that, as I told you, we have two types of timers, so we will take both timers here. First one is over time. Okay, then I told you have to provide N is your timer number or timer address that you can provide from 0 to 4095. Okay, so provide, I am providing here 0, then I am providing. Now you have to provide your set value or preset value. For time, I told you we can provide up to hash 0 to hash 49, means hash 9999. Okay, so here I am providing 5-second time delay. So for 5-second time delay, what will be the preset value that we have to provide is hash 50, as I already told you. Okay, just after this give space, then hash 50. After that put enter. Okay, comment, as you can say BCD timer. Okay, now as you can see our rung is green, means it is taking over instruction. That is correct. Now for taking binary timer, I am taking one more timer. As you can see here, it is 100 millisecond timer it is showing. Now I am taking one more timer, that is first enable switch, so it is as enable 1. Now I am taking one more timer, is time x. Okay, so now 0 address we are using for BCD timer, so we are not able to use same address here. So time x we will go for. So as you can see, we are not able to use same address time x and set value as I told you. So here I am doing wrong, I know, but for showing you that it is wrong, I am providing like that. As you can say, duplicate output or duplicated timer counter. Okay, so we are not able to provide this. Okay, so for that we have to change the address. Okay, so provide here as 1 and preset value will be over 50 for 5-second time delay. Okay, edit comment as binary timer. As you can see here, binary timer. Now we will see maximum set value that we can provide here. Double click here. As you can see, if I provide 10,000, okay, as you can see here, it is red, means it is showing error. If you compile this also, it will show you error. As you can see, unable to download program, errors found during compilation. So we are not able to provide this. Okay, so close that one. Now here see, if I provide maximum 9,999, it will take. As you can see, now overrun is green, Okay, for this timer maximum I can provide up to 65,535. as you can see my rung is still green, that means it is correct. Okay, that is the maximum that we can provide here. Okay, now come to our point, that is 5-second time delay. 50, enter, enter, and same thing here also, 50 and 50. Okay, so now I hope that you understand difference between both the timers. Okay, now I am taking that BCD timer only, or if you want I am taking binary timer. Then we will solve one problem in order to understand how these timers works and how they counts. Okay, so for that, okay, so we will do that thing in next tutorial.